A trekking pole is one of the most utilitarian yet least flashy pieces of gear out there. During trekking, hiking, or even walking, sometimes you need extra balance for yourself, especially when you are going uphill or downhill. Here, a pair of trekking poles lets you feel like they are the natural extensions of your arms so that you feel more balanced. Depending on the grip, balance, and comfort, we have made a video about the best 5 trekking poles that are able to provide you extra balance and grip on your next trekking or hiking adventure. So, let us get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Get yourself introduced with Kelty Upslope 2.0, a high-performance pair of trekking poles that ensures a good performance with durability to make your hiking trip successful. It is forged with aluminum along with twist-lock 3-section telescopes, which makes it durable, and you can choose your desired height from 35 to 54 inches according to your need. Its handle has an extended EVA foam grip that helps users adapt to rapidly changing topography that allows you to have a firm and comfortable grip while exploring rough trails in outdoors. These poles have a protective cap, trekking basket, and rubber tip so that you can have extreme grip and performance on any terrain. Moreover, it weighs around 1 pound only. Its padded wrist strap adds more comfort, and it allows it to stay on your hands so that if you accidentally fall down, you don't lose the poles. By enhancing stability and reducing fatigue, the economical Kelty Upslope 2.0 trekking poles will help you better enjoy your time on the trail. Enjoy miles of blissed out trekking every season of the year with the Black Diamond Trail Ergo Cork trekking poles. They deliver on-the-fly adjustability and easy handling for off-road adventure. With 100% aluminum construction, the Black Diamond weighs only 1 pound and features a 3-section foldable design that allows for fast response deployment. Its dual flick lock adjustability offers quick, secure lane changes, plus a natural cork wicks with 15-degree corrective angle delivers optimal grip position and provides comfort on trails with confidence. These poles have 38mm and 100mm baskets that provide secure traction with grounds even in the deep snow so that you can explore any unknown trail without any hassle. Besides, it has a strap that extends the grip on trails, plus you can also hang them on the backpack if needed. With an ergonomic, natural cork grip, double flick lock adjustability, and interchangeable tech tips, the Trail Ergo Cork defines 4-season on-trail versatility. Get yourself introduced with Gossamer Gear LT5, a high-performance trekking pole that ensures you a great performance with durability to make your hiking trip a great one. Made out of pure carbon, this trekking pole is ultra light yet durable to withstand harsh weather conditions in outdoors so that you can use it with ultimate confidence. These trekking poles come with nice Cork grips and lightly padded straps that allow you to have a firm and comfortable grip while exploring rough trails in outdoors. It comes in a 3 collapsible design, which enables you to pack it into a compact size within seconds and carry it on any hiking trip without any hassle. These trekking poles come included with rubber tips and baskets so that you can have extreme grip and performance on any terrain to make your trip remarkable. The Gossamer Gear LT5 trekking poles are all-time favorites for hikers who love to explore unknown trails. Packed with features and ultralight construction, the Montem ultra-strong trekking poles can be your perfect hiking companion on any unknown trail. The 3-section aluminum 7075 shaft creates an ultra-strong pole design that retains strength over a wide range of terrain and angles so that you can always stay confident. It features ultra-sturdy and developed with non-slip EVA foam grips, which feature foam extensions, allowing better grip and handling on all declines and inclines. Its innovative collapsing system offers simple, compact, and reliable support with a cutting-edge flick lock system designed to keep your poles from sliding. These trekking poles come with hand straps that are soft to the touch and designed to last. It also features carbide crafted tips and includes interchangeable mud baskets as well as rubber tips for ultimate grip on any terrain. The Montem Ultra Strong trekking poles offer excellent performance, durability, and value for money, which makes them a great choice for hikers who love the mighty outdoor. Get yourself introduced with the #1 trekking pole on our list, the Leki Micro Vario Carbon, a high-performance trekking pole which makes any trail look easy. Its 3-piece 100% carbon fiber shafts offer quick and secure length changes thanks to its ELD adjustability, which allows you to easily customize it according to your need. These poles have polyethylene coating, Kevlar reinforced tension cord that offers long-term reliability so that you can rely on it while exploring unknown trails. Its comfortable Ergo thermofoam grips with air-textured wrist straps and built-in 8-degree positive angle in grips keep the wrist in a neutral position, providing more efficient pole plants than a straight grip. Moreover, weighing at around 0.45 pounds, its included interchangeable tech tips will allow you to switch between carbide and rubber tips to account for changing trail surfaces and have the ultimate performance. The Leki Micro Vario Carbon trekking poles feature thermal grips and ELD adjustability to take on backpacking routes, midwinter expeditions, and far-flung treks with ease. So that was all about the best 5 trekking poles just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.